In this video, we're gonna go over how you can get a book of books in Clash Royale. Before we get into this, make sure to leave a like on the video and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more Clash Royale videos just like this. But if you are wondering on how to get your hands on the rare book of books in Clash Royale, here's exactly how it works. Firstly, the most common way to get a book of books is by purchasing it through the special offers in the shop. You'll actually find it in the chain offers or limited time bundles in here. And unfortunately, this is the quickest way to get a book of books here in Clash Royale. Now, unfortunately, the book of books is no longer available in Pass Royale, not even in the paid version, meaning that you can't necessarily earn it through the season pass anymore. But there is only one other way to getting the book of books, and that's by getting super lucky in the 5-star lucky drop. The chances are super low, but it is still possible to snag one if luck is on your side. So in short, I recommend watching the shop, hope for it in luck drops, and stay tuned for future updates that might add more ways to earn it. If this video did help you out, don't forget to like the video, and of course subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. Also, make sure to check out the channel for even more Clash Royale guides. We're going to have a lot going up today and in the future, so definitely check those out. Have a great day.